Down, put the hands down, keep spinning, let that leg come around. So there you have your wheeling kick. It's a lot of work to do that wheeling kick, and if you wanted to do it from the horse stance all the way through to the end, it's even more work. But don't worry about that. We're going to be doing different combinations down the road. For now, just work on getting the kick done properly and safely. Do it in an area, as I said, where you feel comfortable, or use your arms in a way that you're supporting yourself all the way around and you're not putting or doing too much wear and tear on your body. Okay? But remember one thing, this is Zen training, and with Zen training, you got to put a lot into it. So if you're not straining, if you don't feel any strains or pulls or injuries, just fatigue, just maybe a little bit of roughness, but nothing serious, well, push yourself. Put more of yourself into it. Zen is not always about things being easy. Zen is about being mindful when they're easy or when they're difficult. To a Zen practitioner, it's not that we're encouraging difficult times, but we're not shying away from them either in regards to training. It's the difficult times that help us to build stamina, help us to build character, help us to build our intensity and our focus. And all of this is done in the pursuit of enlightenment. So, there are many times where I was training hard, especially when I was, in my teens, in my 20s. Still today, I train very hard, but back then it was 7 days a week, hours and hours and hours a day. And there were these epiphany times where in the training, because I was losing myself in the training. And what I mean by that is I was no longer there. It was the training, the reps, everything that was happening because I put myself totally into it. So these are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experiences that help to dive down really deep into Chung Fu, your inner truth. So I encourage you to put yourself into your training and really work at it. And during the difficult times, don't give up. Keep going, okay? So that's all for today. We'll see you on the next lesson, students. Bow to class.